pointer arithmetic in C with examples. Okay, so what is the pointers? Variables are also known as address data types because they are used in store the address of another variable, and the address is memory location to the variable. It does not store any values. Hence, there are the only few operations that are allowed to perform pointer in C language. The operations are slightly uh, mathematical calculation. The operations are like increment, decrement of pointer, then addition of the integer to a pointer, subtraction of the integer to a pointer, subtracting two pointer of the same type, comparison of the pointers of the same type. So we know about what is the increment decrement of a pointer. Increment is a count that is also come under the addition. When a pointer is incremented, it actually increment by the number equal to the size of the data. And for example, the integer pointer that store address 1000 is incremented, then it will be incremented by the two size of the integer, and the new address it will be point of the 1002. Will it's a float type of the pointer is incremented, then it will be incremented by 4 size of the float, and the new address will be 1004. So it will be, in case of arithmetic, we add both, so 1000 plus this size plus this 4 size of the plot, so it will be address will be 1400 1004, right? Decrement, so it is the allow condition that also come under the subtraction. When a pointer in the decrement, it's actually documented the documented it is equal to the size of the data type for which it's a pointer. For example, if an integer pointer that store address 1000 is determined, then it will be determined by the two size of the input, and it is likely that here we have written a program. So you can see like this is the program. Basically you can pause the video and write the program to your notes, so that you can understand how. And after running this code you will going to get a output which I will show later. So you can show like this type of the output you are going to see output. So you can write in your notebook like this is the a basic program which I have written to illustrate pointer increment. This is the basically people who are in advanced C programming, understanding the C, understanding the pointers. This video is helpful for them very well. So if you are understanding advanced C programming, this is very helpful for you, like C in included studios and this program. In another videos we have covered too about coding, practical coding and getting output. Okay, so this is only overview video about the arithmetic mean and another thing. So this is the output, like this is another program which we have C program illustrated pointer addition in studio in stage. So this is the another example of that. You can also write subtraction, like when the pointer is subtracted with a value, the value is first multiplied by the size of the data type, then subtracted from the pointer. Okay, so this is the another program we have written it. You can also write in your notebook and your compiler. So after writing this code you can view that what is the going to be output happen. Output going to be this pointer ptr before. This is the out going to understand subtraction of the two pointers. So the subtraction of the two pointer is possible when they have the same data type. So if the they have the same data type, then subtraction of the two pointers is subtraction of the two pointer is possible, and with if they don't have the same data type, the subtraction of both is not possible. So remember this condition. For example, two integer pointers, say two integer pointers, say like a address. This is the ptr1 and ptr2, and this is their address 1000 1016. and substrexes. So the difference between address is 16 byte, and since the 2 byte, therefore the increment between ptr1 and ptr2 is given by 16 divided by 2, so it is 18. So like this you can find another. Here is another example of the like subtraction of the two pointers. So you can write in your note this program to illustrate subtraction of the two pointer. Like this is the basic program, and output is going to be subtraction of ptr, and ptr2 is the 3. Okay, so this was the all about what is the arithmetic mean. And you can also visit at great2code.blogspot.com and search about pointer and arithmetic, so know more about this. Here are the many more things. Okay, so this was the all about pointer arithmetic C with examples.